Hi! Today I'm going to be doing our ChalkMade kit, our carrot patch kit, and it comes with everything you need, the instructions, and you'll get 3 paste packets, black velvet, and 2 orange peel. You get 2 trays to put your paste in, a squeegee. You get stuffing to stuff the carrots with, and you get all the stuff to make it, which is your little stems, and you get 2 little rubber bands. String to tie the top of it with, adhesive to seal them with, and 5 of our fabric to make our carrots, and the box to go in. my carrots. The one I kind of messed up on, or a couple of them, I'll have to redo them or go over them and try to fix them. I bought this grass. You can get it at any place that has party supplies, but I thought I'd fill it in with this. Stick my carrots in, and I'll get all 5 of them done. And you can see those when they're done. But yeah, it's very warm here, so my paste was drying really fast. Hot day to do this. But just so you can see, this is what it looks like. I don't want to keep you guys watching on forever. You'll see the finished project on Instagram. And all the details and links are below. Please like, subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.